Hey guys, we received this tomtoc portfolio case for iPads or iPad Pro, and it can be used for your Air M2 or M1. And then this is a really nice portfolio case, as you can see it here. Very nice thick front, so it will protect the accessories and the things. Very nice zipper on the side. Quality wise, it's really premium quality, and I can just see and feel it with a zipper also. It's pretty nice, and let me just open and show it to you. So here are things. So it's like the shoulder strap, and this is like to keep in your stuff. You can put in your iPad, or you can also put in your other things. You can put all the charging cables and stuff in here, and then the iPad Pro here. So you can just put in these things, and it can carry over everything, all the protective corners, and it will just stick soft things, so it will not hurt or scratch on the iPads. And then the charging cable, pen, anything you want to put in here, you can put on this flap. So it's a very nice design, and just put in everything. So I'm just showing you, this is a 10-inch iPad. So I'm just trying to show you for the size purpose that with the case it will be like around 11 inches. So you can just see like for the size purpose how easily it's coming in here, and then you can put all the charging cable, adapter, and everything stuff here. You can also put the iPad here also. It's up to you because I already have in the case, so I'm just putting in there, and then you can just zip it, and you can easily handy with this handle, or you can use the side strap to put it on the shoulder and add the shoulder strap. So very nice bag to keep your everything is safe and handy, and then also use it in the side strap. So let me just put it in. So you can just put in your hard drive, cables, SD cards, USB sticks in that portfolio, and then with the handle you can put it here.